Hello there, everyone. Nice to see you. Today it is episode 28 of Project 2 of the Joy of Functional Game Dev. The GitHub release is v0.27, labeled end of episode 27, start of episode 28, and that's enough of that stuff. We didn't add too much, but we had a couple of really great new directions for us to go into. I've updated the Trello board a little bit. And these are the things that I hope I can get through today. One of which, this one is health, which means I want there to be units of measurement for the hull points and the damage and so on and so forth. I want to have currency in the player so we can have money. I want to give the islands names, and I want to have at least some scaffolding as far as how quests are going to happen in game. But so, without further ado, let us go to map object, where we have this thing here, and we're going to make, first things first, a new measure. Let's call it type health. And health is abstract because obviously a hull isn't exactly health. It's more like structure. But when the storm will do damage, it'll be in health. The pirates will have health. Sea monsters will also have health. And also, do I want to have, should these be floats or should they stay ints? And I'm not sure. Let's start with leaving them ints for now. And now you know what? It is more or less a yeah, we'll leave them with ints. But while we're at it, let's get in here. Type currency. So this does go in with call it wallet, and that one will be a float of currency. So, alright, great. We'll get these things here, and, well, what we all know that means is that we get to build and chase around all the problems that this just caused. Hopefully it won't be too many. Expression was expected to have help. We're just going to store that. We're going to put that on the clipboard because most of this is going to be of the then 0 health. Neat. Okay, gotta have wallet. Wallet equals 0.0 currency. And these should all have health on them. Well, it can't be that simple, can it? It can. My goodness. See, definitely one of the things going on here. I do want to be able to well, I want to be able to get the currency and set the currency. Let get currency state. That's going to be a float of currency equals that, and I also want let set currency, which is this. So we're going to go with amount, and there'll be a float currency, and state, which is a play state, and that's going to return a new play state, and we'll just have that return state. So let nothing props equal state get vote. There's that, and then it's going to be props dot currency. Nope, props dot. Oh, I haven't. Have not. Wallet. Dot wallet. So that's cool. See, do I have a? See, this is the thing. With get boat, I really don't have a set boat. So naturally, I'm going to get where it is. So we're going to go. So that's where. That's where the boat is. That's when the boat is. Can't use when. Where? Turn. Use turn. And props. So I get the boat. It's going to be state with actors equal state.actors. So we're going to that's a map. So map dot add. Actors gives me a map object. Alright, map object. So the current turn. Current turn equals turn. Is it detail? It is detail, right? Detail equals and vote props. So this should work with wallet equals amount. Is that right? I have to where? Boom. Okay. See, but this is an incredibly ugly this is an incredibly ugly construct in order to update the boat, which is really the player. And I'm not sure what I want to do about it yet, but I know I don't like it. So but we have get currency, we have set currency. All right. Shall we? While we're at it, where's our renderer? Where am I drawing? Nope, that's in my event handler, in my idle handler, I'm drawing at some point render encounter, render stats. That's what I'm looking for. So I got my boat props. going to write some text with so that's going to be that's UI +1. Okay. And we'll put yellow, bright yellow. So we'll make sure that we blank it out. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 10. So what I want, let's read boat props.wallet. These are in cells. So you have to remember, I made a conscious decision to use units of measure. And that does indeed have consequences. Put the $sign. Oh, and let's go here. F# s print f. Now what I want is to know the format for doing format a type A string, format T, okay, whatever. Give me something. Just want to see what the things are. The percent. There we are. Basic integer, basic float. So how do I do? Okay, so it's percent %f. Okay, so format save, having form the number of digits, precision. Okay. Yeah, these things don't really. So, alright. We're gonna have to. So I think I can do something dot something, right? Let's go with that. So it's a %f. %f. And we've got. So we've got 1, and so then we've got 10 left. So we're going to do something dot 2. And we're left with 9. Then there's a period, so there's 10 or 6.2. Hey man, let's see if it works. Let's see if it builds for one thing. Alright, let's see. It should just say $0. Please say $0. Okay, I've got 1, 2, 3. I can. So really, okay, got it. It's not 6 and then 2, so 9.2? Well, no, I'll know in a minute if it has 2 zeros at the end. Okay. So, money, nothing. Okay, good. So, all right. Now we're going to need a quest. Type quest. Quest properties. Or maybe we don't do that quite yet. maybe we do a thing where, where are we creating? So we need the names. So right here, list fold. These are, so again, the map gets thrown onto here. Okay, where are my islands? My islands need a name. So, we're about to get, okay, we're about to, no, this isn't going to be too bad. All right, so what I need is, let generate names. Cool. We're going to return an empty list. Return a string list. So we're going to return. We have to have a count, which is an int. All right. And we do have to have, we need a random. That's for sure. Random, which is a system.random. Okay. We'll have this be private. Generate names. So now we have island locations. So we have a count of let names equal generate names. Get random. And this is going to be island locations. This dot length. So, all right. Take the island names. And make, okay. So, all right. Do I do a rec here? No, not here. Okay. So, I've got a count. Okay. All right. First things first. I need for I in 0 to 1 to count do yield that is right. I have this syntax right. We'll find out very quickly, won't we? To yield, and I want to give a random next. I don't want these things to be very long. So 1 4. So the things have to be at least if random.next to just call it random.next to equals 0. Just equals 0. So let list let call it temp. Okay, so you may be wondering, what in the world am I doing? First thing I'm doing is is it's generating a bunch of random lengths and whether or not it should start with a vowel. So that's this thing here is the length of it, and this is true to start with a consonant, and the other one to start with a vowel. So let private consonants equals H H, K, L, M, and P. And we'll do vowels. A, E, I, O, and U. Okay, what kind of crazy language is this, you may ask? These whoops. So, alright, so now let random consonant, random, which will yield me a string, equals consonants, sequence, sort by, fun, E, random.next, sequence dot head. And really, the random vowel works pretty much the same way. And yeah, and you know what? I'm not going to do it this way. So I'm going to so let private generate let rec private generate name set. We got a count int and a random system.random and a name set, which is a set of strings. Do I put capital S? Which will generate a set of strings. Equals. Alright. So really it's going to be generate name set count random set dot empty string and set dot to list. Okay. And we'll just return this return name set. Be done. That way everything's all cool. So now my island names will generate like so. Alright. Of course, I need to actually have them generate. So I need a let rec generate private. All these things private. This is probably not the best way in the world to do this junk, but this is room to be creative, room to explore. Generate name. We have a length, which is an int. Have a consonant bool. We have the current name, which is a string. We're going to do with random, which is a system.random. And that will return a string. Okay. So if name.length equals length, then return name. Otherwise, so next character, so let next character equal if consonant, then random consonant, random, else random vowel, random. So, alright. Generate name, length, not consonant, random, name plus next character. Is that all groovy? So if I'm at the length of it, then return it. Otherwise, if I've flagged for a consonant, then do a random consonant. Otherwise, random vowel. Is there a way? Is there a way to be clever? I want to be clever. I so want to be clever. Huh? Yeah. So, random. If that, then that. Otherwise, that. Okay. That'll further generate the name. So, this one similar. If name set dot count relevance same as size. So there's dot size count. Where's that other dot size? Dot. Okay. Equals count. Then name set. Else. So I just need to say name set add generate name, and here's my length, and here's my that was random, and that. So starting with that, so random dot next 1 4 plus, so 1 2 3, and then if random next to 0. We'll just say random next to equals 0. That'll give me a bool. And so, alright, this should, so this way this works is it says, hey, do I have the right number? Great. And then return it. Otherwise, add a random one to there. So at this point, I want to build. Then I want to see what. No, yeah. So I gotta go name equals nothing. Build it. Okay. And let's see. Do I have? Okay. Island names. There's only 121 locations. Street names. Huh? Well, what in the world? How in the world can it, on locations, length is 121, generate names? Well, here's some fun. Let's flail around on this for a while. Okay, so my count, which is 0, and my count is that high. Let's not have a hexadecimal display. So, we don't have that. Let's go in there. Next character. So my length is 8. The next character is what? Oh. Okay, that's a different problem. Okay. 3, 4, 5. 125, random, set empty. That's my. This makes absolutely no sense. So, alright. So, name set that count equals count. Oh, okay. Nerp. Let new name set is that. And we're going to generate name set count random new name set. Although we could do that. Okay, not recursing. That's our problem. And while we're here, let's actually have this spit out vowels. Alright, I expect this should probably work now. Come on, go. Oh, no, I don't want to do that anymore. Okay, 121 of them. Oh. It sorted them. Huh. Okay. Well, does that really matter? So list dot sort by random.next. Okay, so now it should be randomized list. Yeah, it'll generate them, but it'll generate them ordered because of how these things get stored. Yes, maybe good. Okay, groovy. But now, okay. You may hate me. So wait, place island. Oh, wait a second. All right. Where is it where it generates the islands? So where does that happen? So, generate world object. So it is this where I need? Okay, this is where I need. Okay, that's okay. This is where this is needed. All right, generate island objects. Uh-huh. String, okay, name, string, name equals name. Okay. I need my names to our list of strings. Names string list. So my original actors, my map get folded. So that goes in here. So if the terrain, then actors, okay, right. Okay. Actors, names. So, alright. Let's go do head, tail. This one's going to be goofy. Comma, tail. Else actors, head, tail. Okay, this is absolutely awful. Yep, alright, let's fix it for a second here. Okay. Dude. Okay. So this needs to have some sort of string there. Now, the map is the thing that the folding is happening here. So if I do this, comma names. If I do this, comma island names. this stuff here, and names, and names. One more. Do I have? Wait. It hates me. All right. Okay. Go back again. Okay. Got names. Got the original actors. Fold. Oh. Yuck. Okay. Because it's not returning it. All right. Let new actors nothing equal. That's my problem. All right. I can put this on here. Names. I can throw this junk together. Names. Okay. So, all right, up and then actors, island names. Okay. Got it. So, at the moment, this dot head. And then list dot tail. So, okay, we've arrived at the problem was I need, of course, with this I can do this and do this. Fist. I can fist it. All right. Now we got it. So we're going to come in. We're going to take the original actors and the names, and this is the part that gets folded into actors and island names. We have the location. We have the cell. If it is an island, then we generate it. We take the first name. We pass along the rest of the names. Otherwise, we don't do anything. We just keep the list of names as it is. And then I need to pass that in here. Yeah? Okay. Okay. We'll just throwing it in there. All right. Cool. Generate the names. Generate the islands. Dude, okay. Let's see if it works. If it works, we're having a very good day. Boom. So, what are my actors? Let's try to find one that's on. Are you an island? You're Storm. Storm. Something that's not a storm. I reckon most. Okay. Actually, initially, these things are. Nope. My goodness. Uh-huh. One's in the middle. Oh, I just need one. I just need to see it. You're a pirate. Dude. Uh-huh. Maybe I can do that. Okay, let's try it over again. Right. So, go one more time here. So, like around 350. Just need to check. I just want to know. I just want to know these things. You're an island? No. Okay. Be nice. Alright. So my locals, autos, watches. 177 of these. Just, just want to see what's. Come on now. No. Alright. Well, what do you say? We just put one boat on there. That way, everything else has to be an island, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. So, the first one here, this one's the boat, of course. Yeah. Another one. Okay, so that one. An island named that. Oh, same island name. Boo. It's not tail. Really? Okay, this doesn't make any sense to me at the moment. Okay, so my island names. Names. Oh. Ah, somebody's yelling at me. Who is yelling at me? It's names, not island names. All right. I know you're out there. I know you're yelling. I'm sorry. Didn't hear you. Okay, so 119. But you must not the next time. But no, I've done 8. Okay, so you should have different. Please have different. That's Lape. Don't be also called Lape. Why do you have to also be? Okay, what am I doing? What have I missed? What? Ah, nah. Work. Darn you. Work. Okay. You're gonna have it. You're gonna do it. It's gonna happen. Kokeku and Lalelikip. Okay. Sweet. So you go away. anything else? You. Now, what's so darn important about having the name on an island? Well, glad you asked, because when I go about making a quest, so type quest details, there's going to be a couple things. I have to have a cell location for where you started. Start cell location. Is it called cell location? I thought it was called cell location. Yeah, cell location. Maybe I don't have it here. Alright, cell location. Then location. I don't want start and end. I want issued, resolved, destination. I need and I need the how much it's for. Reward, be float, currency. And then what else do we care about? We'll just call it source. So the source, this is the island where the quest began. The island where the quest will end. Oh, really? Interesting. Must be interpreting this as an operator. The amount that will be rewarded upon delivery. But so, and of course, quest, which is a quest details option. So we have a start, we have a stop, and we have what you get. Does it matter where the source is? Really? No, it does not. And so in the island properties, quest, which is quest properties. Quest details. Sorry, quest details. So then really, when you embark upon it, you take that and you attach it to your boat properties, and then you generate a new one. Of course, and at the moment, all right, matters not one bit. See, this game show indicates a lot more clearly that I'm gonna get it to build, and then we're gonna be done for there. We're gonna talk a little bit. The quest is not so much anything of interest, so we'll go with quest none. Okay. We're going to have to generate a random quest. Huh. New. Quest equals destination equals something and reward equals 0 currency, 0.0 currency. We'll just, for the moment, column equals 0 cell and row equals 0 cell. Just so the thing compiles. Okay. To do generate valid quest. So in generating quest, it should be So the location must not. So we'll probably have to have a quest location that's in here. We'll have to put that in, and whatever, and then the reward can just be whatever the reward is going to be. It's not so hard. But okay. Yeah, because you want to generate a quest. You want to generate a quest with a destination other than where you're originating from. And that works really well here when we're generating things. So we have a full list. We have a list of the. Oh no, we don't. We don't. We need to pick a. Yeah, we're gonna work on this. So yeah, to do pick a valid. Pick an island location. I think I may have to update my. I may have to update my quests later. Yeah. Okay. Well, that'd be interesting. That's something to think about. But so, go through, make sure it's still running. And the islands have names. You can't see them. We've got money. We've got health. We got lots of cool, exciting things starting up. See, and then right in here, when I do this, I can go. I can have the island name. It can be right there. So that'll be cool, and that'll be some of the stuff next time. What do we do? We got health, we got currency, we got islands. Get the names, and then underpinnings of quest. We did it. We say squee now. Awesome. So hey, all right. Thanks so much for coming along and being on this journey with me. We're getting there. We're probably not too far. Maybe another episode. Maybe 2 episodes away from having the ability to accept and fulfill quests. And that would be a very cool thing to do. As always, I want you to keep the joy of functional game dev in your heart. And I will see you next time.